डियर डायरी, माना कि हम लाइफ के सबसे मुश्किल दौर से जी रहे हैं, पर आगे बढ़ना ही जिंदगी का नाम है। आज इस जगह पे आके लगा कि आई फाइनली मेट माई सेल्फ अगेन। इस जगह की खूबसूरती को देख के मन एकदम खुश सा हो गया। ये जादू नहीं तो और क्या है।
Oh my god! Futuristic villa. There's also a partial lake view over there. Lots of these grape plantations. Here we have Chavi. I just did the horse ride. For desserts we have the hot chocolate brownie, and this is how it looks from the interior. Live in the moment actually because it's amazing. What's up guys, it's Grishma and welcome to my channel. Today I'm at this place called as Grape County, which is in Nasik, and this place is truly very beautiful. So we are here on a staycation for one day and I'm here with my cat Chubby, so I'm super excited to stay here. So I thought this is the time that I must come and see to myself how this place really is. So currently it's 2 p.m. and the check-in time is 1. So this is the place. So I'm gonna give you a tour first and then move on with the rest of the day. Okay, so I'll give you a quick room tour of the tent that we're staying in. Okay, so this is the tent. This is room number 203 and this is how it looks from the interior. So here we have a nice cupboard which is quite cute actually. Fits really well with the vibe of the room. It's very rustic and has a modern touch to this tent, which is nice. Here we have the table and study area and some fruits for you. This is like another bench over here. This is the bed over here and it's very comfy and very nice, and that over there is a dressing area as well. So here I have is the bathroom and here I have Chubby. Hello. This is the bathroom area. Look at this massive sink. It's like a brass kind of sink. It's so beautiful. And here we have the pot and here is a rain shower, and this bathroom itself is also pretty spacious. Okay, so this was the room tour of the tent that we're staying in Grape County. And also for the rates, I know a lot of you asked me about the rates of the place where I stayed to. Stick till the end of the video. I'll give you the entire itinerary, entire rate of all the things and what all are the charges. Stick till the end and I'll share with you at that time. As such are not allowed. We specially requested to bring a cat, and since it's a cat, so we were like okay to bring her in. So it's currently 3 p.m. right now and अभी हम जा रहे हैं lunch के लिए in the in-house restaurant. हमारे tent के वहाँ पे there's this private pool area also. यहाँ पे around 5-6 tents है. Look how green and beautiful this is. So that is the reception area for the tent rooms. काफ़ी बड़ा है. There is a mini library of books also. There is a foosball table over there. Activities where you can hang out if you are a large group of people. So this is a private tent area. यहाँ पे you can book the buggy ride to take you to the reception area. क्योंकि ये tent थोड़ा reception से दूर है and reception के वहाँ पे ही there is restaurant and all those eatery as well. Chicken gravy, which is chicken adrika, which is adrika chicken, and then along with that is roti. Service is kind of slow over here, बहुत time लगा, but we'll see the taste how it is. Okay, so it's so bright. Okay, so we're back from the lunch and as you can see, पीछे का रूम इज क्वाइट डिफरेंट राइट नाउ। वहाँ पे बुकिंग के टाइम पे भी सॉ नाइस पार्शल लेक व्यू रूम एंड यहाँ पे आके हमको टेंट रूम मिल गया। सो वी वर क्वाइट डिसअपॉइंटेड एंड हमने जाके रिसेप्शन में बताया तो तभी दे वर नॉट अग्रीइंग कि उन्होंने बताया कि ऐसा ही है, दैट इज़ वॉट यूर बुकड एंड दैट इज़ वॉट यूर गेटिंग। बट देन वी हैड अ लंच, हमने वापस से बात किया एंड देन द मैनेजर केम एंड ही वॉज प्रिटी नाइस एंड उन्होंने हमें तुरंत हमने रूम देखा था, दैट वॉज दिस रूम, ही गॉट अस अपग्रेडेड टू दैट रूम एंड दिस इज़ अ ब्यूटिफुल room. This is a premium room which has a view of the mountains which is amazing and it's good for chubby as well because chubby यहाँ पे आराम से घूम सकती है and we can keep her in the room and then go and look at the property as well. I'm gonna give you a quick room tour of this room because this is gorgeous. Okay, so this is a Sky Villa room. So this is our room 101 Lily. This is our entrance. You have like a private entrance to the room which is beautiful. Here is the dressing area. Here we have a nice cupboard over here to keep your suitcases and there's also a safe inside. So if you want to keep something important or jewelry, something that could be also stored over here. So moving forward, here is the TV unit area. It has a mini bar also over here. Obviously the things that are in the bar and over here are all chargeable. They must be double I think. But yeah, this is the mini bar area. There's a cooler over here. There's even an AC which is there. So I don't know why दोनों भी रखे हुए हैं. Here there is a nice desk and as compared to the last room वहाँ पे बहुत congested था and it wasn't quite spacious. This room is very spacious. There's a separate area for the desk, separate seating area and this bed. Oh my god, it is so comfy and very like dreamy. Look at the curtains. They have linen curtains and it's like so beautifully well maintained and kept. It has a rustic charm to it which is so nice. It feels like you're living inside a tree house which is amazing. And all over the room there are these windows which you can obviously shut them down. So now we'll go to the bathroom which is so nice. This is actually the selling point of the room, the bathroom over here. This is the bathroom, but this bathtub has a view of the nature. I'm definitely going to take photos over here. And again we have the Brasta sink which is nice, a rustic nice mirror and shower cubicle and a seat. Welcome to the balcony. This is a massive patio area. यहाँ पे इन्होंने outdoor seating भी रखा है. There is also a partial lake view over there. यहाँ से you can see the lake जहाँ पे you can do kayaking, boating और वो सब सारे activities भी यहाँ पे you can do. So yeah, this was a room tour and we're so lucky to get the room that we booked. So finally इतना सब करके we were disappointed and happy at the end. So yeah, we'll continue the rest of the day and see what activities we'll do at this place. So अभी फिलहाल हम थोड़ा rest करेंगे and then I'll catch you up later. 5:45 currently and we are going out to explore the property. Since property is very huge, there are a lot of activities that you could do, so I thought why not just see around the place and experience all this. And also there are a lot of activities which begin from like 4 PM but हम यहाँ पे almost lunch ही कर रहे थे 4 तक, so we thought to take some rest and then later on go. Currently we are at the lake. This is the lake that they have created inside the property. It's a man-made lake and यहाँ पे they have boating and kayaking which is also inclusive in the package. तो आप लोग यहाँ पे आके कर सकते हो. The lake is like so large, वहाँ से वहाँ तक है and it's like a soothing experience to do boating over here. The timing is from 4 to 6 PM. अभी currently almost 6 हो चुका है. Watchtower which is right over there from where you can see almost the entire property क्योंकि थोड़ा सा height में है and for that we have to climb as well. So let's go.
पता है, जब हम वो सीढ़ियाँ चढ़ रहे थे तब एक अलग सी लिबरेटिंग फ्री वाली फीलिंग महसूस हुई और टॉप पर पहुँचते ही खूबसूरत सनसेट का नज़ारा देखकर एक अलग किस्म की सुकून महसूस हुई. कभी कभी ऐसी शांत जगह आकर दुनिया को देखने का नज़रिया बदल जाता है और उसे खुल के जीने की नई उम्मीद जगाता है.
currently I am at the top of watchtower and यहाँ पे you can see the view, it is stunning. You can see the sun is setting. थोड़ा cloudy atmosphere है but it's so beautiful. You can see the lake. We can even see our rooms which is nice. यहाँ पे इन्होंने ना private setup किया है, किसी का तो कुछ private function है but other than that it was worth all the climb. This resort Grape County is an eco resort. So यहाँ पे biodiversity is pretty dense. बहुत सारे flowers है, बहुत सारे trees है and it's so nice, greenery बहुत filled with nature है. And the best thing that they've done is that every tree के ऊपर ना उन्होंने लिखा है name of the tree which is nice. And also there's a board which shows what are the different types of birds which are available at this property which fly around in the nature. So it's nice to see that इतने सारे greenery के अंदर इन्होंने resort बनाया है. I am in the county ranch, which is a ranch for the horses. As you can see, there are many horses over here, and in our package you can ride a horse as well. And यहाँ पे उनका shed है, and there are so many, and they're literally very huge. The breed over here is Marwadi, which is I think racing breed. I think because I've seen some places where they use this breed for racing. So these are the horses over here. I'm gonna take a horse ride. Let's go. Just did the horse ride and I got to know so much new things about a horse. The horses that over are here are a total number of 17 horses are inside here. 10 are male and the 7 are female. थोड़े यहाँ पे है, थोड़े कुछ पीछे है. And the horses mainly over here is Marwadi breed, which is उनका जो ear होता है ना, they touch each other. And these horses are also taken to racing in the Nasik main city area. So these are race horses. And यहाँ पे there's one horse which is an English horse. इसका कान touch नहीं होता, उसको स्पेशली बाहर से लाया है. So this was the ranch. So it's currently dinner time right now. अभी बजे है 9 PM in the night and we are heading to the dinner which is in the in-house restaurant itself. ज़्यादा ठंडा है. The climate is like very cool. So we ordered some hot and salt chicken soup. Now arrived is the Malai Murg Tikka which looks so tempting. Much better than the soup that we had earlier. The next one is our main course, which is basically fried rice along with oyster chicken. It looks good, so I'm gonna tell you how it is. The chicken is soft and tender and goes well with the rice as well, so it's a great combo to have it. There's literally 2 kitties over there. So cute. This is a little tiny one. Oh, look at him. I always feed the cat. Always. So for desserts we have the hot chocolate brownie with ice cream. It's my favorite dessert. Actually all of my desserts are my favorite. So good morning, it's the next day here at the resort and today as normally we do a ritual of waking up early while we're staying at a resort and exploring the place. So this time we're exploring it on a bike. So यहाँ पे bicycle है where you can just go around the resort and take a round. Area where there's this huge stage and some stairs for where people could sit and enjoy a function which could go on over here. I think the last time I saw that यहाँ पे एक grape festival हुआ था, that was music and food festival that was also conducted nearby this area as well. Secondly, I could see that around the whole amphitheater area there are lots of these grape plantations, and the grapes are dried out because अभी season नहीं है. This is a month of September, तो अभी grapes है नहीं, but these are all these grape plantations जो यहाँ पे किए हैं, and there's so many of them. There's the restaurant where we had our lunch, dinner, and we'll have a breakfast as well. Currently अभी सुबह के around 7:38 हो रहे हैं, and the breakfast starts at 8:30 and ends at 10:30. That behind me is the pet bird area. यहाँ पे there's turkey, there's duck, swans and chicken, that is hens as well. Later right now, and we just got freshened up from our little adventure of cycling, and right now it's around 9 a.m. in the morning, and we are heading for our breakfast. Now the breakfast is inclusive in the package that we opted for. I am starving. And I'm having breakfast, and the breakfast spread is used. There are lots of variety from Indian to international cuisine. So I have a lot of things, like I have poha, I have idli, chicken sausages, I have potato ka wedges, and there's almost something which is called as vegetable ratatouille, but it's mostly like a lasagna also. And along with that I have like two juices, the first one being a cranberry juice and the second one is a chocolate milkshake. So I'm gonna eat this now, and I'm very hungry. So let's eat. Of a property. This is a cave villa. I've seen pictures of this villa on the internet, and I was so intrigued by the design. It's one of its kind, and I've never seen something like this, and I'm super excited to check it out. So the resort person is showing us the villa. You can rent this villa. This is a part of the Grape County Resort.
This is the Grandpa House, an unusual cave design house which is quite exciting and fun to stay at. This house is completely made out of cement and carved to give this interesting design. There are 2 bedrooms, 3 washrooms, 1 kitchen, a common area, and multiple seating options. A total of 6 to 8 people can stay inside this house comfortably. Let me know if you would like to stay here.
So we are currently checking out. It's 11:30 a.m. and the checkout time is 11:30. And here we have Chubby, who does not want to go home, just like me.
The most important part. How much did we spend to stay at Grape County for just one day? Here are the approximate charges. Room for 3 people costed us Rs 11,500 through booking.com. Since there was no food included except for breakfast, our lunch was for Rs 700, dinner for Rs 1,800. That brings us to a whopping total of 14,000, which is quite expensive. Was it worth it? I don't know. But was the experience worth it? Totally.
Alright, so this was our stay at the Grape County. I hope you enjoyed the video and got to experience this stay with us, and I hope you inspire this video to travel and explore new places. And if you like this video and made it this far, then make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. I have many more resort videos that I've created on my channel. Say hi! That you could watch on my channel, and with that said, thank you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye!